Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I'll show you how to open and edit an Excel header step by step. First, open your workbook and click the View tab on the ribbon. Switch to Page Layout View to see the header area clearly. Then click inside the top margin where it says Add Header. The Header and Footer Tools Design tab opens automatically with options. Use built-in elements like and page, and pages, and date, and time for automation. Press Escape when you finish editing to return to normal navigation. Now we will customize the header elements for your print layout. Click the left, center, or right section to place text, images, or codes precisely. To add an image, click Picture and choose your file from disk. After inserting a picture, use Scale to fit to resize the image inside the header. Use codes like path and file to show the file path and name automatically. If you need more header room, set the top margin to 0. 5 inches in page setup. Finally, finalize the header and review your print settings before printing or saving. Click File, then Print to open Print Preview and verify header placement on each page. If the first page needs a unique header, toggle different first page in Header and Footer Tools. For alternating headers, enable different odd and even pages for books. To control scaling, use Fit Sheet on one page or set one page, S, wide by 1 tall under page setup. Save changes and save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.